Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Then release the handbrake or else you won't be able to proceed. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a 13mm spanner as well as a 15mm spanner and remove the slide pins. Using a large flathead screwdriver, release the brake caliper from its support. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. You can use a screwdriver to help you. With a flathead screwdriver, remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the edges of the brake caliper mount where the pads run.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Place the noise dampening shims on the caliper. Take the new brake pads. Coat the outside of the new pads with copper grease and slide them into the brake caliper mount. Put the piston back. For this movement, you must have a brake caliper windback tool. This is a specific tool that will make it possible to wind the piston back, but also to have it turn on itself to reset the self-adjusting system on your handbrake. You need to check the proper sliding of the slide pins and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw the slide pins. Don't forget to use the new screws that come with the pack, as they have been pre-coated with thread locking fluid. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Clean both sides of the disc with brake cleaner and a piece of tissue to remove the grease deposited when installing the new pads. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.